If your trailer lights, or indeed your car lights, are flashing like this is supposed to just have the left indicator on and everything's flashing like mad. Same when you press the brakes or anything else. The answer is a bad earth. There's no earth getting to the bulbs. So electricity, like water, chooses its own route. It takes the easiest route, and it's finding an earth by going through the filaments of the other bulbs, or LEDs in this case. Cure the earth and you cure the problem. I have been having a bit of trouble with the trailer lighting on this 2007 L200. I couldn't find anything on the internet about where the wiring is routed, so I've had to trace it myself. This is a double cab, and it comes along the chassis from the socket, and it comes through the body just down there near the rear passenger side seatbelt mounting. You have to take off this plastic trim, which is held on with 3 or 4 of these little plastic studs which pop out quite easily. It then follows up the inner sill underneath the trim. Now in this case I know the trailer board is good because I've tried it on a couple of other vehicles. So I've traced the wiring from the socket, which I know is good, and up the passenger side, and this is a right-hand drive, and it goes into the passenger footwell. In there is one thick wire which goes to the body. That's the earth, and I'm willing to bet that if I clean that off and improve on that earth, I will have solved my problem. And then up there, right up in the footwell, there is an electronic box of tricks. This thing is the towing module. And now that I know what I'm looking for, I can tell you that electronic module and the wiring plugs are just up there above the carpet and beneath the glove box. And the wires from the back end plug in the small plug. Then there is a large plug that comes out of it, which I suspect is part of the kit, the towing kit, and the wires come down and join into all these sockets here. And there is also a second earth, which may also be causing trouble, so I'm going to clean that one up as well. The only visible fault with this electronic gizmo is one of the tracks is burnt through, and it's the one that goes to the left indicator, because this is the outboard socket. So I'm going to solder a link in between there and there and see if we can fix it. And I suspect that the burnt link in this electronic box was caused by the thing trying to earth through the box rather than through the earth wire. There, that's it. Link soldered in, and now it may or it may not work. We'll find out in a minute. Anyway, the good news is that with my soldered link in, the thing works. These things are 150 quid new or 50 quid pre-owned off eBay. So that little bit of soldering was a good job done. On this particular vehicle, I've sorted out all the trailer wiring and the earths, and with traditional light bulbs it works just fine, but there's still a problem with the LED light board. So I'm assuming that that electronic gizmo just doesn't like LEDs, so I'm going to leave it as it is and not use them. I hope this video helps somebody, and if it does, like and subscribe please.